Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Titan in Destiny 2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw the mask first, and we're going to start at the bottom. So we'll just draw in, kind of like a center line, and then just on the side, just kind of go up. And then from there, we're gonna come up. This is actually the side of the head. Okay, and then we're gonna just curve it in slightly on each side. And then we're gonna come down with a nice curve to meet up with that corner that we drew earlier. So this is the head piece, the whole glass thing, and so we're gonna close it off with a nice curve on the top. Okay, so that's gonna be the glass. So for the bottom piece, there's a little bit of thickness to this line, so just draw another line, just kind of around it. Just go all the way around. All right, so once we draw that, just go ahead and just kind of connect the corners like that, so it makes it three-dimensional. Okay, and then now we're gonna come straight down on these corners, and then we're gonna even that out. Just kind of close it off. So that's the bottom of the mask, and then we're gonna come out. Just go all the way and just come back down and connect that. Okay, so or you can draw this way first. You can come down first, and then just connect that. All right, so it's a pretty cool looking mask. So that's pretty much for the head. So let's move on to the neck. So the neck is easy. We're just gonna come down on each side. And then in the middle here, just draw a line, horizontal line, and then we're just gonna connect these. All right, and then on the neck, he's got some detail, like a collar. So we just kind of curve it. And then this one's gonna go this way. Alright, so that's the head and neck, and let's draw the really cool looking body armor. So on the side here, just come out a little bit for his armor. And then we're going to curve it out. This is going to be his shoulder. Okay, and then from here, you can start here and just draw two lines straight down around, past this point here. And then we're going to close it off. So I'm drawing the chest area now, so just draw two slant coming down, and then we're gonna go up slightly on each side, and then after that you're just gonna connect those two lines. Okay, so that's gonna be the chest area. And since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up the waist. So the waist is easy. We're just gonna come down from these corners, and then we're gonna close it off. Okay, and then for the details, it's gonna be a curve here. And we'll add two lines here at a slant. All right, so let's move on to his armor on his arm. So from here, just draw the same curve as that one, but extend it up because he's gonna have huge shoulder pads. And then we're gonna come out, just curve it. Okay, so it's pretty wide. It's got really big pads up here. Just kind of close it with a slight curve. Okay, so then on the other side, I'm gonna draw the same curve here. And we're gonna come out. So we're coming out again, but this time instead of a curve, I'm gonna come down with a corner. I'm gonna close that off. And then it's got the little spike here, which is pretty cool. So like a little triangle. All right, and then let's finish up this arm. So this one's easy. We're just gonna come down for his biceps. Come down a little bit and just angle it. Okay, and then we're gonna extend this. Now for his lower arm, So we're just gonna come down, just kind of pinch it in a little bit, and then close it off, and that's gonna be his arm. So now let's draw his fist. So we come down, that's gonna be his thumb, back of the hand, and then his other finger is gonna be curled in. All right, so let's draw the other arm, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So curve, slight curve, and then angle. Then we're gonna go out, extend this line a little bit, and then we'll just kind of pinch it in. Okay, and then again his hand, his thumb, back of the hand, so the fingers curled in. All right, so let's add in some detail because he's got some really cool markings, right? So for this one, this part's gonna be red. I'm just gonna come straight down to the middle and then come back up. So it's gonna be symmetrical. I know there's some other markings, but I'm not gonna draw that because it's really complicated. And you can kind of put your own design there if you want. So from this line here, we're gonna continue this. Okay, so it goes all the way to the shoulder pads. And we can add in a little circle here for some little detail. Little triangle here, just to make it more complicated. 2 little circles there. And then on the arm, you can start in the corner and just kind of slant out. So this part's gonna be red. So we're gonna start here, just go slant out. And I almost forgot we need to connect the arms, right? So this part's easy, just kind of draw 2 lines connecting that. All right, so let's move on to the body and to the legs. So right here, just draw 2. This is the cloth, and then just kind of close it off. Okay, and then we gotta draw the hip part. So this part should be easy. We just gotta come down a little bit, and then just kind of come into the cloth. And then it's gonna have some pouches on the side here. So I'm just gonna draw 2 rectangles. Add some detail with just 2 lines. Okay, so let's move on to his leg. So his legs, just draw 1 line like that, and then we're gonna curve it in slightly. And of course we can't see the leg in here, but we'll just imagine there's a line in here. So we're gonna continue like that. And then we'll just close it off for now. And then just draw in, just kind of go up, draw a little shape like that. Okay, so let's move on to, let's draw the other leg first. So it's gonna be the same. So kind of curve and just kind of pinch it in slightly. Again, the line's gonna start here. Close it off. And then the detail. So let's move down to his knee, and so the knee is gonna be pretty easy. We're just gonna draw a little, just kind of continue that line, but just make it straight. And then we're gonna pinch it in. Okay, so we're gonna come down pretty straight. Just pinch it in. So then for his lower leg, it's actually really easy. So just draw another line like this, almost the same as that one. And then from here, just kind of go in. Okay, so it's kind of 3-dimensional. So now we can draw the lower leg. So we're gonna come out, and then we're gonna go in, and then we're gonna close this off. Draw a little rectangle down here, and we're gonna draw the dome shape for his foot. Close it off. A little bit of sew on the bottom, and then 2 slanted shapes here. And then for the armor, we need to give this a hard line. And then on the leg here itself too, this is gonna be different colors. So just draw another dome shape from the corner to the other corner. All right, so let's move on to the other side. So again, it's gonna be the same line. And then just kind of connect it. So almost to the middle of this line. And then now we're gonna go out. Then we're gonna pinch it in. Just close it. Rectangle. And then let's see the dome shape. close it a little bit so on the bottom. And then the 2 slanted shapes. 2 lines right here. And then 1 more line on the bottom, from corner to corner. And now let's see, let's add in some details because he's got some different color stuff going on his leg here. So from this corner, we can just draw 1 line going out. So this part's gonna be red. So same thing here, we're gonna go out. And then on the bottom, he's got some color difference here too. So from the corner, just kind of go to the middle. And then from this corner, just connect that. So from this corner, go to the middle, and then just connect that. And then let's see, he's got, oh yeah, on this cloth, it's gotta be another section, some detail. So just follow that line in, and then just close it with the same kind of angle. And it's got some detail. It looks like a Roman numeral 3. So I'll just put that in real quick. Since it's easy with a Sharpie, nice and thick. So 1, 2 more. And that is it for this Titan character from Destiny 2. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. Please do give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.